Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we will see how to install AWS CLI in our Windows. This is the official website for the AWS documentation. Here you can see I am referring AWS command line interface user guide for version 2. Let's see how to install. If you want to install AWS CLI on your Linux, Mac, you can follow these instructions. I am installing on Windows. So the requirement to install AWS CLI is that we need to have 64-bit Windows and we need to have admin right to install AWS CLI. To check what is the latest version of AWS CLI, you can go on this link and you can find the latest version of AWS CLI. Here you can see that 2.15.17 is the latest version of AWS CLI. To download and run AWS installer, we need to keep this command in our CMD. So I am copying this and opening command prompt, paste this command. Now you can see that Windows installer is preparing to install the AWS CLI.
Click on Next, accept the terms agreement, then click on Next, select the location where you want to install and use C program on AWS CLI. This folder will be installed. Click on Next, click on Install.
Click on Yes. Click on Finish. To confirm the installation, we need to give this command in CMD. Copy this command, the CMD, enter this command. Here you can see that latest version of AWS CLI is successfully installed on our Windows 10. Here you can see that 2.15.17 is the latest version, and here also you can see 2.15.17. This is how you can install AWS CLI in Windows. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.